I got Homebrew installed on my computer. You're really glad you didn't wait that long for me to install it. So now, if you'll remember, we want to be in our students directory for the rest of this, not our administrative directory. They might be the same, they might not be. So I'm going to go ahead and I think Nano's installed on here. Nano or Pico are just little very simple text editors. And I'm going to squiggle slash dot profile. Okay, so this just says I want to edit my user profile, my bash profile, so that I can add a path to the bottom of it. So I hit enter. It's empty. It's a brand new file because I don't have anything in there. That's fine. I'm going to go ahead and copy this version right here over to my profile. If you have an older version of Mac OS, you'll want to export this second version. You can determine your version by going up to this Apple menu, hitting About This Mac, waiting for it to open. And you can see I have High Sierra version 10.13. So I'm going to export this file, or I'm going to copy this line over into my text editor here. I can use just Apple V. No, I can't. I'm going to use Control K to cut that out. Let me see if I actually copied this. I didn't actually copy it. And then down here it tells you how to get out of this text editor. These little caret buttons is your control button. So I'm going to hit Control O in order to write it out. It's going to ask me where I should write it, and I'm going to say exactly there. So I just hit enter, and then I'm going to hit Control X to get out of there. And I'm done. That's set up. Now I want to brew install Python. I don't know exactly what this is going to do as far as overwriting my old Python. So first thing it looks like it's doing is updating my Homebrew, which is something I could have done before coming over and filming again. It's just getting all of the different places that it looks for packages from. Now we're installing our Python dependencies. Not gonna pause this video because this shouldn't take too much longer. Once we install Python, we're going to do the same thing with pip. So we'll do brew install. Oh, it actually says, oh no, okay. We're going to have to do brew install. No, I think this installs pip automatically. We'll look and see. Yep, we got pip 2, and then we have pip to Python 3. So I think we're going to do okay with this. So just give this another second. This is why we wanted to install Homebrew, is that there are different packages that get installed with Python, and this one will put them all where they go. Okay, so now I'm going to see what I have for Python version, and it still says 2.7. Don't be disheartened by that. Go ahead and do Python, and you'll see you have Python 3 now as well. You just have to do Python 3 explicitly. And so now we also need to do pip -- version. This should still point to Python 2. Yep, there we go, Python 2.7, but we also have pip 3 -- version, and that points to our Python 3.7. So we are good to go as far as having Python and pip installed. We just need to remember that since we already had Python 2 on our computer, I'm going to have to type Python 3 and pip 3 to install my packages.